Hi Chris, kung bibili ako ng property, ano pa yung pinaka-the best na property para sa akin? Hello, good day po sa inyong lahat. In this episode, pag-uusapan naman natin kung ano yung pinaka-the best na property para sa'yo. Number one, ask yourself first kung ano nga ba talaga yung objective mo, bakit kailangan mong bumili ng real estate property. Titirhan mo ba yan for rental income or for investment? And number two, you have to consider the location. Malapit ba yan sa mga main roads? Transportation, nearby establishments like schools, churches, hospitals, and of course, syempre, ano ba yung future growth dyan sa area or kung ano yung future development. And number three, of course, you should check the market value of the property before mo siya bibilhin. Huwag lang tayong mag-rely sa presyo ni seller. Minsan may mga real estate properties na masyadong cheap, kaya tayo nagpapadala and nagde-decide tayo kaagad. May mga property naman na too much expensive nang walang mga dahilan. So red flag na yan. Last but not the least, number four, work with the right real estate broker or real estate salesperson. Yung tipong kapag honest yung explanation nila about dun sa property and hindi ka nila pinipressure na magdesisyon ka agad. Remember, a good broker and agent protects your investment. So, that's the episode number 4. Thank you for watching my videos once again. And kung gusto mo pa ng more real estate tips videos, you can follow me. And once again, this is Chris, your former gardener. To God be the glory.